drowning in tasks, and need to delegate like a pro. Let's unlock Stripe's team management features in just 90 seconds to bring order to your financial force field. First, log into your Stripe account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner of your dashboard. Look for a gear icon or the word Settings. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find Team. Click on Team to access the team management area. You should see a button that says Add User. Click this button to begin adding a new team member. Now, enter the email address of the person you want to add to your Stripe account. Double-check the email for accuracy to avoid any invitation issues. This is the crucial part: assigning roles. Stripe offers various roles with different permission levels. Carefully review each role description, things like admin, analyst, support specialist, or developer, and select the role that best fits the team member's responsibilities. For even finer control, you can customize the permissions. Some roles allow you to grant or restrict access to specific areas of your Stripe account, like payments, customers, reporting, or developers. Select the boxes that match what you want that employee to have access to. Before sending the invitation, take a moment to review the role and permissions you've assigned. Ensure they align with the team member's duties and your security needs. Finally, click the Invite or Send Invitation button. Stripe will send an email to the new team member with instructions on how to accept the invitation and set up their account. Back in the Teams section, you can now see the newly added team member. From here, you can manage their permissions, change their role, or remove them from the account. If needed, regular audits of team member access are highly recommended for security. And that's it. You've successfully added a team member to your Stripe account and fine-tuned their access. Now, you can delegate with confidence and keep your financial data secure.